1. Defining afferent nerves. Direction of flow. Afferent nerves carry sensory information from the periphery of the body toward the central nervous system, CNS. Etymology. The term afferent is derived from the Latin adferens, meaning carrying toward the brain or spinal cord. 2. The sensory receptor role. Transduction receptors convert physical energy like light or pressure into electrical impulses that the nervous system can interpret. Specificity. Each receptor type is specialized to respond to a particular kind of stimulus, such as heat, touch, or chemical changes. 3. Structural classification. Pseudo-unipolar neurons. Most sensory neurons have a single short process that extends from the cell body and branches into two directions. Cell body location. The cell bodies of these afferent neurons are typically grouped together in the dorsal root ganglia outside the spinal cord. 4. The somatic sensory system. Exteroception. These nerves collect data from the external environment via the skin, such as temperature and pain. Proprioception. Afferent fibers in muscles and joints provide the brain with constant feedback regarding body position and movement. Visceral afferent fibers. Internal monitoring. These nerves carry information from the internal organs such as the heart, lungs, and digestive tract. Interoception. They signal sensations like hunger, nausea, or the stretching of the bladder to the brain. 6. Special sensory afferents. Localized organs. These fibers are dedicated to the 5 special senses located primarily in the head. Cranial nerve involvement. Sensory data for sight, hearing, and taste are carried by specific cranial nerves rather than spinal nerves. Conduction velocity. Myelination. The speed of a sensory signal depends on the thickness of the myelin sheath surrounding the axon. Fiber types. Large, myelinated A-alpha fibers transmit proprioception quickly, while thin, unmyelinated C fibers transmit dull pain slowly. 8. The reflex arc. Involuntary response. Afferent nerves trigger immediate reactions by communicating directly with interneurons in the spinal cord, bypassing the brain. This pathway allows for rapid protective movements, like pulling a hand away from a hot stove, before the brain processes pain. 9. Sensory adaptation. Decreased sensitivity. Afferent nerves may stop firing frequently if a stimulus remains constant over a long period. Phasic versus tonic. Phasic receptors adapt quickly to changes, while tonic receptors continue to send signals for the duration of the stimulus. 10. Pathology and dysfunction. Neuropathy. Damage to afferent fibers can result in numbness, tingling, or chronic pain conditions. Deferentation. The loss of sensory input can lead to significant coordination issues and a lack of protective feedback for the body.